Cooking verbs in English with pictures and sentences. Chop. She is chopping the onions into small pieces. She is chopping the onions into small pieces. Slice. He is slicing the tomatoes. He is slicing the tomatoes. Dice. I'm dicing the carrots into small cubes. I'm dicing the carrots into small cubes. Peel. She is peeling the potatoes. She is peeling the potatoes. Grate. I'm grating the cheese over the pasta. I'm grating the cheese over the pasta. Squeeze. She is squeezing the lemon over the fish. She is squeezing the lemon over the fish. Pinch. Please pinch some salt into the soup. Please pinch some salt into the soup. Crush. I'm crushing the nuts. I'm crushing the nuts. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. She is mashing the potatoes. Mix the salad ingredients in a large bowl. Mix the salad ingredients in a large bowl. Blend. I'm blending the fruits using a blender. I'm blending the fruits using a blender. Stir. She is stirring the soup gently. She is stirring the soup gently. Whisk. I'm whisking the eggs. I'm whisking the eggs. Beat. Please beat the cream until thick. Please beat the cream until thick. Knead. Please knead the dough for 10 minutes. Please knead the dough for 10 minutes. Roll. I'm rolling the dough flat with a rolling pin. I'm rolling the dough flat with a rolling pin. Pour. He is pouring the milk into the bowl. He is pouring the milk into the bowl. Sauté. She is sautéing the onions in butter. She is sautéing the onions in butter. Break. I'm breaking an egg to fry it. I'm breaking an egg to fry it. Fry. I am frying the eggs. I am frying the eggs. Boil. Boil the pasta in salted water. Boil the pasta in salted water. Simmer. Let the sauce simmer for 20 minutes. Let the sauce simmer for 20 minutes. Bake. She is baking the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. She is baking the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast. I'm roasting the chicken. I'm roasting the chicken. Grill. She is grilling the chicken. She is grilling the chicken. Marinate. I'm marinating the chicken in lemon juice. I'm marinating the chicken in lemon juice. Season. Please season the steak with salt and pepper. Please season the steak with salt and pepper. Garnish. She is garnishing the dish with fresh herbs. She is garnishing the dish with fresh herbs. Zest. He is zesting the lemon for extra flavor. He is zesting the lemon for extra flavor. Drizzle. He is drizzling olive oil over the salad. He is drizzling olive oil over the salad. Toast. Toast the bread until it's golden. Toast the bread until it's golden. Butter. Please butter the bread before toasting it. Please butter the bread before toasting it. Mince. I am mincing the garlic. I am mincing the garlic. Shred. Please shred the lettuce for the salad. Please shred the lettuce for the salad. Julienne. He is julienning the peppers. He is julienning the peppers. Trim. She is trimming the fat off the meat. She is trimming the fat off the meat. Whip. Please whip the cream until thick. Please whip the cream until thick. Dust. She is dusting the cake with powdered sugar. She is dusting the cake with powdered sugar. Coat. I'm coating the chicken in breadcrumbs. I'm coating the chicken in breadcrumbs. Blanch. She is blanching the green beans before freezing them. She is blanching the green beans before freezing them. Poach. He is poaching the eggs in simmering water. He is poaching the eggs in simmering water.